Hey guys, I have a 2001 BMW 540 automatic, and I've been getting this sound at idling at the warm engine. Hopefully you guys can pick up the sound and hear it in the video. But I can't figure out what the sound is. I did replace my tensioner last week with a BMW part during oil change, and I dropped my oil pan, and it was clean. There's no plastic pieces, nothing. I did the fan check. It stops and it disengages and engages normally, so this works good. But there's still, the sound I can't figure out. So I'm gonna give you guys so you can listen and tell me what you think. So please let me know what you guys think, what this sound might be. Thank you.